Hello, are you a farmer and you just bought your wireless microphone but you don't know how to use them? You don't know how to connect them to your phone so that they may work for you. Because sometimes when you just buy your wireless microphone, they may fail to connect to your phone camera, the camera that comes embedded in your phone. So what tricks and what methods can you use in order for you to make use of your wireless microphone? Don't worry, farmers, I'm here for you. I got your back. Hello, welcome to CHIMASA FARMS. This is the table with ECCT. The table with ECCT, that's where I share knowledge about farming, different topics, different things that are supposed to be undertaken, that are supposed to be done in the farm as you are doing your farming. Welcome to the table with ECCT. But in today's episode, this episode is very simple. I just want to share something interesting I just bought on eBay, and that is boom. So these are wireless microphones. I'm tired of speaking about microphones, so now I just said let me purchase these microphones. But the only challenge I had when I bought these microphones, it is the fact that I could not connect them directly with my camera, with the phone that comes with the camera that comes with my phone. So I just want to show you some tips and tricks you can use if your phone is failing to use this wireless microphone using its camera. What you can use for you now to connect it so that you can still make use of it without using your camera. Let's dive into the video.
CHIMASA FARMS Life to you. Oh, farm life, the farmer's eye, the best fertilizer, yeah. CHIMASA.
So let me unpack the package. Unpacking the package. So this package comes actually with a manual inside, and this is the package of it. So this is now the actual microphone. Have you seen? They come actually, the three of them. So this is what we call a receiver. Then the two, these two are what? They are microphones. So as you, have you seen the way they are within the package? If I just shake them like that, I put them to say like that, you find that they are bringing that LED light. That LED light. If I do this, you can see. They are bringing those two LED lights, which simply means they are charging. As they are going off like that, that simply means these two microphones, they are fully charged. When they are fully charged, they completely go off. So I want to show you how to connect them to your phone. If your phone camera, if your camera which is embedded in your phone fails to make use of them, which one can you use in order for you to make use of them? Because my phone camera has actually failed to recognize this, so I'm using another camera to record this video I'm using right now. These microphones, they are not connected yet, so I want to connect them so that you can hear even the sound quality, the different sound quality, the difference between right now as I speak and later on after I connect them, the difference that is going to be there. So let's connect together. This is a receiver and this is the actual microphone. So if you check, a microphone has a charging port, which is the Type-C charger. Then it has this button here, which is a what? A switch on and switch off button. It also works in different ways when you are doing what? When perhaps you are trying to remove waves or maybe the background noise. So let me connect the phone so that you see what I'm talking about, and I show you different changes you can make when you are using this microphone. Follow me as I connect this phone. So right now, I want to connect the receiver to my phone. I'm connecting the receiver to my phone. Once I connect this receiver to my phone will be muted, which simply means it has recognized that I've put a receiver and supposed to be connected to this. Have you seen? Since it's now yet connected, it's going to be muted. So when I switch on this, follow me. When I switch on this, when I press on this button right here, and I press on this button right here, it's blinking green and red, green and red. That simply means it is pairing, but it is not connected. It is pairing to another device, which is the receiver, which this one, but I haven't yet connected the phone. So it is trying to pair, but it's not connected. That's why it is blinking red and green. So after pairing it, it will just display green. And once it displays that green, which simply means it is now properly connected. Even instantly, even the voice I'm using right now will automatically change. Check out this. Let me connect. So right now I'm connecting. Once I put my receiver, you're going to see the change in my voice. Check out this. Check out this. Okay. Okay, so I have connected, and it has just done what? It has just gone green. And I'm sure my sound has even changed. My sound as I speak right now has even changed. Even my voice right now as I speak has changed. It is very much audible, very much clean, and you're able to get me correctly without like compared it to the past one, like the way I was struggling with that. So this is how a microphone works. I just wanted to show. Sometimes people tend to be backward. They are like, no, since I'm a farmer, I wouldn't embrace technology, this and that. No, these have come for us. That's why I'm saying farming. It is now for us. The energetics, so that we can do what? We can combine the technology and farming so that we can do what? We can move together. So let me just show you some of the things that this mic does. So if I place this button right here 2 times, maybe if I just place once, it will just blink and it will just collect every knowledge behind it. If I place like this, it blinks once and my sound continues. Have you seen? Let me place it again, just once. Have you seen? It has just blinked and my sound has continued. You can't see the difference between the other one and now. In fact, if not, it will be even more clear. This one being, it has cleared out all the background noise. But if I press it 2 times, my sound is going to be off. My sound will automatically do what? Be muted, because I could have muted it. Let me press it 2 times. So I'm pressing 2 times. 1, 2. So as I was speaking, like what I was saying, it was muted. You couldn't even get me. That's why I was doing like this. You couldn't get me because it was blinking. When it is blinking like that, simply means you have muted it, so you can't get anything out of it. So if I press it 3 times, it will be giving an echo sound. If I press it 3 times, it will be giving an echo sound. Let me try it. If I press it 1, 2, 3. Have you seen? So right now as I speak, it seems like I'm in a home. Have you seen? It's bringing that, reflection, that echo sound. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. So even let's make our farming venture fun. Let's make our farming venture fun by doing what? By embracing technology. So the echo is still there. So the only way to remove this echo is for you to disconnect your mic. It's either you disconnect this mic, you switch it off, or perhaps you remove the receiver from the phone, then you put it back. That's when this echo will be taken away. Otherwise, like this, if you press 3 times or you press 1 time, you press 2 times, you won't actually solve anything. So let me just disconnect this, then I reconnect back so that we continue with the video. Don't forget, I want to give you the last 3 tips that you can use, even if your internal camera of the phone fails to work using these mics. I'm going to give you a simple trick you can use for you to still use these mics. Follow me, let me just disconnect. Alright, right now as I speak, I've just removed an echo and I'm sure we're able to get me clearly. The light there is green, which simply means you are having a very proper feedback. So what I will do right now, this microphone, this wireless microphone comes with 2 mics, 2 of these. So I just want to give one to my friend, and I also show the distance, how far you can be from your phone as you use this mic. Is it 20 meters? Is it how many meters? So let me just go outside and show you what I'm talking about. Follow me, please. Do not cut this video. I want to give you simple tricks at the end of this video. Follow me as we move. Yeah, so let's go outside. Right now I'm moving out. I just want to show you the distance between your phone and where you are. Like, I don't know how many meters it can be from your phone. So let's go out as I show you. Now we can do this. Let's go. So I just want to show you how far you can be from your phone to the receiver, so that we see the distance. Just stay with me. I won't take much of your time. Alright, so now I'm outside. I just want to measure the distance from the phone to where I will be, how far it can be. So right now, this wireless microphone comes with 2 mics. So I've given one to my friend. I just want him, come close. I just want him to actually also test the mic. And you can switch it on. We see whether it is working or not. It's on. It is on? Yeah, it has brought a green light. So I'm sure it is working. You can say something so that we see whether it is working.
Hello viewers, subscribe to our YouTube channel, CHIMASA FARMS.
That is my boy Tiger. Actually, Tiger, it is his nickname, so don't mind me. So the mic is just perfect. So what I will do right now, I'll start counting so that I show you the distance, how far you can be from your phone to perhaps wherever you go, so that you see the distance and how the mic will be giving you proper feedback in terms of the sound quality. So I think we can move together as I count.
Sure.
So I'll start counting. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here, this is 10 meters. I don't know if you're able to get me. That is 10 meters. So from here, you're going to count.
Okay. Oh, it's me who's going to count.
Yeah, so you can now count.
Okay.
So from here, see, you count another 10.
Up to 10, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So this is 20 right here. So we are talking now at 20 meters from our phone. Have you seen? So I don't know if the receiver is able to get the feedback. So whatever is happening right now, even there is even some kids passing here, but I don't know if you're able to get the feedback. So I want us to also count another 10. We see whether it will be the receiver will be able to get our sounds. So let's count another 10.
Yeah.
That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 10 right here. Why? Unapata hapo. Wewe unashaka?
Apata right. Alafu tsinga top chamo ine nimepadiwe. So when 10 ine it should be 8.
It should be 8. Huh? So what do you mean? We count another 3.
Another
something.
3.
Okay, let's just move a bit. Yeah, so that is a 3.
Yeah.
So this is about, we are talking about now 30 meters away from the phone. Kuna veshinga bonga kakisenda hapa hii.
Number nishika right?
Nishika dai.
Yeah, in fact the video is making sense.
Yeah, so what we'll do, because this one is particularly for the farm. So I wanted farm, like, even when I've left my phone somewhere, I can show my farm.
Yeah, so that we learn more about how to do.
Yeah, that's what that is the okay. Because sometimes when you're far from your phone, you discover that the sound is very poor.
It's very poor and people are not getting anything.
Yeah, you see that. So I don't know if it will be able to get from here and then it will be very perfect.
Yeah, no, I think you got some good gadgets here.
Yeah. No, this is an investment actually. No, it's not a sheer waste of time.
No, it's not a sheer.
Do you know what happened in Eric Farm?
Sure.
Ndefika bemuntu wagaye kusapota tuliemo njebera yita kwawe
ulefika bya tuliemo panto
kabiri kwayishi milimo no kwenta irenda
alo mwaje I remember time nare wambira papa that from nare iba
we're talking about sitting one per video. Oh,
sorry, I forgot that you're going to post a video.
I want to post this video. So this guy, you have to be very careful.
Okay, people, remember to follow.
Yeah, so
sure.
Remember to follow my channel. That is YouTube at FARMLIFE ECCT. On any social media platform. That is at FARMLIFE ECCT. FARMLIFE ECCT. The farmer's eye is the best fertilizer. Be it TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, I'm there. Please kindly do me a favor by following me and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Now, before we go, there's a certain secret I said I'm going to share. So now listen to this. The secret is this. So if you perhaps buy these microphones and you try to the camera embedded in your phone and they fail to work, because right now what I'm using the same trick. My camera, the camera in my phone, because right now I'm using Samsung A51. the camera in it failed to work, like to connect to this mic. So what I did, I went on Play Store. After going in Play Store, I searched for a camera which is called Open Camera. That Open Camera is the one I'm using right now to record this video. So what you do when you just install your Open Camera, go to your settings, go on sound settings, video settings, go on video settings. After I go on video settings, you find sound settings. There on sound settings, they will show a lot of settings there. So what you do, there is option 1 which is camcorder, and then option 2 there is what, external mic. So you change from camcorder to external mic. Once you do that, you'll be home and dry, and you find that everything will be perfect, because some phones actually they fail to work on the internal or the embedded camera of the phone. So this is the last tip I had for you. Thank you so much for following us and I appreciate. Tiger, what do you say?
Peace out, people.
Peace.